Welcome to 2023 Complete SQL Bootcamp from Zero to Hero in SQL. SQL is everywhere, and with so many companies relying on big data analytics to drive their direction, SQL experience is one of the most in-demand career skills. After this course, you will be able to write SQL queries easily and able to understand the complex queries involving joins and subqueries. This course has more than 4 quizzes, 15 assignments, and a final test in SQL. This course covers both basic and advanced topics in SQL such as DDL commands, DML commands, constraints, data querying, set operations, views, subqueries, joins, working with Sailor's database, and solved examples on complex SQL queries. These are some of reviews of this course. This course will be regularly updated